Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. Okay, we'll be installing a timer on a GE gas dryer. And here's the timer knob. Okay, you want to remove the timer knob. Okay, now we're going to remove the rear cover of the panel. There's 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. Okay, with the cover removed. Okay, now we're going to remove the control panel, slide it to the right, and remove it out of the slots. Here's the timer now. I'm not going to take a real good photo of the wires because some timers are different, so you can't go by other ones. So make sure you take a picture of these timers. As a matter of fact, make a detailed photo of the timer. Make sure you get every wire so you know where to reconnect the wires. Okay, with a pair of pliers, you hit that metal piece and turn it clockwise, pop it upwards. So again, bottom right, you get a piece of plier. You're gonna pull that piece of metal over the plastic piece and turn clockwise. So grab that little metal, pick it up over the plastic piece and turn counterclockwise and turn it off. Now to install the timer, you do the same thing, but turn it clockwise to lock it in place, right in between the slots, and lock it in place. Now it's installed. Lift up the control panel, slide it into the slots, pull it to the left. Now it's locked in. And replace the timer knob. Okay, replace all the wiring onto the timer. And replace the rear cover. And you're in business. Remember to give me a like, follow, and a comment. Follow me on Facebook, Appliance Flipper, as well as YouTube, Appliance Flipper. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.